Error code 1 on a ring furnace indicates a heating issue, where the furnace either fails to heat up correctly or overloads when it does. Common causes of this error include furnace leaks and thermostat failure. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the furnace. Turn it off. Wait a few minutes. Then turn it back on and run it for a while to see if the error code reappears. If the issue persists, inspect the furnace for leaks by disassembling it to access the air filter. Check if the air filter is defective and replace it if necessary to stop the leaks. Additionally, verify that the thermostat configuration is set up correctly, ensuring it matches the oven and boiler settings. If the thermostat is set to automatic, make sure the furnace and boiler are also automated. By following these steps, the error code 1 on a ring furnace can be fixed, resolving the underlying heating issues.